Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you Yugadi special recipe, that is raw mango rice or Mavinkai Chitrana. Please watch complete video for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Today I am preparing raw mango rice or Mavinkai Chitrana. For that I have taken mango. This is Totapuri raw mango. This I want to grate this. Now I am going to cut it and then I will grate this. See, like this you can cut it into half and you can grate this. You can eat it like this also by adding salt and red chili powder. See, like this I am going to grate all the mangoes. Now you can see I have grated the raw mangoes like this. Now I have taken here one pan, I have added oil. For that I am adding groundnuts. Now I am going to fry the groundnuts. We need to fry it in very low flame. Now you can see it has changed to little golden brown in color. Now I will take this to separate bowl. Later I am going to add this. Now for the same oil I am going to add mustard, jeera, chana dal, urad dal. Once the mustard starts popping, and then I am going to add garlic. Today I am using one whole garlic. Just I have crushed it. And now here I have 2 chopped onions and 5 green chilies. Now I am going to add this. Now I have added 2 chopped onions and then 5 green chilies. You can add green chilies as per spicy how much you require. Now I am adding curry leaf. And little salt so that onion will cook very fast. Now we can see if onion is fried this much, it's enough. Now I am going to add turmeric powder, After adding turmeric powder, mix it well. Now I am going to add the grated raw mango. Today I have used Totapuri mango. And today I used one whole mango, big size raw mango. Now I am going to add this. Now I am going to fry this after adding mango. You can prepare this goju or you can prepare this masala and you can keep it in refrigerator. Whenever you want, you can mix it with rice and you can use it for breakfast, lunch box also. Now I am adding salt for taste. While cooking onion also I have added little salt. I am adding pinch of sugar. This is for adjusting the taste. After adding grated raw mango, cook it for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now I have cooked it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now I am going to add freshly grated coconut. Now mix it well. After adding coconut also, cook it for 1 minute so that the prepared masala or gochu will not spoil. Now I am adding gram flour and jeera powder. This will enhance the taste for your raw mango rice. Today I am using 1.5 spoon of gram flour and jeera powder. This we can take few gram flour in mixer jar and we can add 1 spoon of jeera and we can grind it and we can make a powder like this. Now I am adding little hing. Now I am adding little chopped coriander. Now masala for raw mango rice is ready. Now we are already I have cooked the rice. Now I have transferred it to separate bowl and I want to allow it to cool now. And then I am going to mix the masala with this rice. Now I will allow this rice to cool. Once the rice is cooled, now add the prepared masala or gochu to this rice. Mix it gently. After mixing the gochu and rice, now I am going to add fried groundnuts which I fried it earlier. If we add it like this later, we will get the crunchiness of groundnuts or else it will get soft. If you want, you can add cashews also. Now I am going to add coriander. Now raw mango rice is ready. Now I am going to transfer this to serving bowl. Finally, I am adding again little fried gram and jeera powder. This will enhance the taste. It will give different taste to raw mango rice. You can add this powder for any of the rice which you prepare like this. You can add it for lemon rice also. Once you try this by adding this powder, now I am going to transfer this to serving bowl. Now you can see morning breakfast recipe, and also you can carry it for lunch box also. Raw mango rice or Mavinkai Chitrana is ready. I have kept here Mavinkai Gochu or masala which we prepared, and I have kept here raw mango also. Hope so you enjoy my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos, you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.